All right, gang. So with data annotation, you have two types of tasks. You have a pay per task, which means like they could be 2 cents, they could be 50 cents, they could be $1. And then you also have the pay for like by hour, where you track your time and you have to turn it in. And I've had a lot of questions of people not really sure where to go to do that or being confused by it. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. Unfortunately, again, for security reasons and for disclosure reasons, I can't show you the stuffs like specifically. So I'm going to kind of give you an overview of what you're looking for and where to go so it makes more sense to you. All right, so when you first log in, you have a dashboard. This is just the top of the dashboard. If they're currently offering qualifications, that's what you're seeing right here. Any qualification tasks will fall there. And qualifications are for like new projects that they're maybe bringing on, or if you've been with them, like I got a qualification yesterday of a project that I got invited to because of my prior stuff that I've done. So this is likely going to be blank. This part here, the projects, which you can kind of see, you can see the name, like pay and that sort of stuff. This is where you will actually click and start your projects. So I obviously have some projects listed there, which is why I can't show you. But those are, you'll see your pay is either going to be by hour or by time or task, I mean. So if it's by hour, you have to track your time. And I use little sticky notes, like these little sticky notes on your computer. And I put where I started, and then I track my time when I'm done. Now, how do you track that time? Where do you go? Let me show you. All right, so after you've completed your project, and I do apologize, like I said, I can't show you much, but after you've completed your project, this is below projects where it says report time, okay? So that's where you are going to click in order to report your time. Now, when you are here, there will be all of your projects that you are working on listed. You're going to click on the project that you wish to report your time on, and that's going to take you to a separate screen. So this is the screen it's going to bring you to, and I apologize, the title of my project is at the top, so I can only show you this component of it. So currently right now, you would have whatever hours that you've completed. So you're going to put in your hours and you're going to put in your minutes and you're going to hit submit. And then it's going to show up down here with your time reported and then what you made. Typically what will also happen is you're going to get a pop-up that says you worked for X amount of time, you've earned X number of dollars, is that correct? And you're going to hit OK. You can come here at any time and look at your task submission, and you can see how long. This pending approval means it hasn't been looked at. And this is stuff I just did yesterday. So you can see I have time submitted there. I apologize because it's a computer, you're getting it. But you can always go and check out what you've done. Now, if you want to make sure your stuff got done, or if you weren't sure if this was a pay per task or anything like that, there's another place that you can go. So let's talk about it. So at the top of your page, you have the work on projects, transfer funds, referrals, and then your inbox, okay? So if you wanted to know exactly what's happening, you can click on your transfer funds, and this is where you will learn, here's like my amount that I could withdraw right now, here's the amount that needs to be confirmed, here's my total since I started in August, if you guys wanted to see. And when you're looking down, you can look and see what you've got. Now, if you're not sure you've reported your time, look over to the far side, and total time reported will likely show as 0 if you've not reported your time. So definitely check that out. I hope this helps you guys figure out where you're supposed to go when you are looking at doing your time reporting. I know this can be difficult, but I think once you guys do it, you will see how easy it is, and that's all there is for it. Again, this was for data annotation.